up, PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP over here. And in the last update, I did say that if we get above 0.54 on the 4-hour time frame, and especially 0.57, then it's very likely that 0.6 would get hit. And we're over here on Sunday, approaching that 0.6 level. So going back to July 5th, we have a 5-wave move to the upside, right? So this is our first wave in the market. So our first wave for our impulsive structure in 2024 going into 2025. This would be your wave 1. You then come down for a WXY correction for your wave 2. And then we have a 3rd, 4th, and 5th all the way up there, right? And we'll definitely map out these targets in the Discord. So if you haven't joined, then definitely click the link in the description below. So this is your wave 1, right? This is your wave 1. And then what you have is a WXY correction. So you have a 3 down in your W, 3 up in your X, and then another 3 down within your Y. Okay, we'll color code the waves just so you guys can see a little bit better, right? This is your A, B, C down. We've been calling all these tops and bottoms perfectly, publicly on my Twitter. You can go back and see exactly when I call the top here and bottom, right? This is our ABC up for your X wave, and then you have an ABC down for your Y wave, right? And I did say that we would see an ABC correction here. We would see a pop up here, considering we swept these equal lows right over here. You see how we swept these equal lows? Okay, this is your equal low sell side liquidity. So when you swept it over here, we were likely to see a nice retrace. Okay, and we're coming up to 60 cent. Okay, we're coming up to 60 cent. And that would be the 70.2 to 78.6% fib on the logarithmic scale. Okay. We can take a look at it on the linear scale as well. And it would be sitting around the same region, 61, 62 cent. Okay, and when we zoom in on the 3-hour time frame, we can see that this is your wave 1 in a leading diagonal formation, your wave 2. We're coming up for a wave 3, 4, and then you have a wave 5 like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, and we perfectly call this move here in the Discord. This over here was a pennant, and as soon as you see that it's breaking here with this solid green candle, you would know that we're coming up for a wave 5. Okay, a lot of people, they underestimate the power of trend lines, and they really work, especially in crypto. Okay, something like this. Okay, and it looks like we're doing looks like we're in wave 1 of our 3rd wave to the upside. Okay, it looks like we're coming up to this region right here. Right here. Come down for a little bit of a wave 4. maybe 38.2% of the way down. Maybe 23.6 to 38.2% of the way down. Okay, so around this region, and then we come up for a wave 5. Okay. There's also the 702, 786 as well that I want you guys to be aware of. I'll make you guys aware of all the fibs here, like this. Okay, so if we go below this level right here, so if we go to 60 to 62 cent, and then we have kind of like a B, and a C wave correction, right? Then it's likely that the trend is going to continue on upwards, right? But if you see a impulsive move down from 60 to 62 cent, and then eventually you see the price go below 52 cent to 0.516, then it's likely that all this was just a ABC correction, and then we're coming down towards that 45 cent region that I've been talking about. So right over here, this is where the critical point is on XRP, right? We either come down for a wave 4 and then continue on higher with the trend for the breakout, or this over here was just a B, and a C, and then we come down to 0.45, depending on the move that comes once we hit this region over here. Will it be impulsive to the downside, or will it look more corrective? Okay. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. I'll do my best to keep you updated on YouTube, but I will be in the Discord, so definitely click the link in the description below if you haven't joined. After coming down for this wave 4, if we are in a bull market, wave 4s, they usually come down to the 23.6 and then continue on higher. Okay? So this would look something like this, right? We would probably have a fifth wave at the 702, which is 60 cent, around 60 to 61 cent. Come down for an A wave like this, have a B wave flat pattern, and then you have your C wave like this, something like that. And then you have a wave 5 upwards. Okay, it may not play out like this. It may just come to the 23.6. But so far, this is what I'm expecting. Okay, and then we would have our fifth wave target. Okay, so around here, around the 70 cent region, I believe we'll have an extension of the fifth wave here. Okay, because in crypto, you tend to see extended fifth waves because it's such a highly over leveraged market. This can also even go to 75 cent. But we'll get more accurate targets depending on how this wave 3 and wave 4 play out. Okay, so this over here would be your wave 1 to the upside. Then your subwave 1 of your third wave to the upside. And then you come down for a wave 2. Then you have a wave 3, 4, and 5 all the way up there for your macro wave 3. Okay, so it would look something like this. Right? So we'll keep it like that for now. Then we'll just move this like that. Okay. So something like this. This actually looks like a bullish ascending triangle as well. And the breakout target, or the minimum technical target, would be sitting at around $1. Okay? So around $1 would be the minimum technical target of this bullish ascending triangle. Okay? And yeah, this is XRP so far. It looks like we're starting our next leg to the upside, our third wave, after consolidating for over 2 years at the lows. Okay, if we go on the long-term chart here, we can see that this does look ready. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is a descending channel right here. And all we need in order to confirm that we're going to have this breakout is a push above 0.62 on the daily. Okay, so a push above this level right here is what bulls want to see. Okay, a push above that on the daily would confirm that this uptrend has started and we're ready to have our third wave to the upside, right? And we'll definitely map out all of these targets in the Discord. So I'll see you guys there for sure. Let's go back to this chart here. Okay. Okay, so remember, targets for the weekend going into next week, 60 to 62 cent. That would be the point of interest. And don't be surprised if we come down for an ABC correction before having a fifth wave to the upside, likely taking out liquidity above this horizontal resistance here of this bullish ascending triangle, coming down for a retrace to reset the price and then continuing up from there. But remember, like if we come to this region right here, the move that comes after will be very telling, right? We either have an impulsive move down and we go below 0.5268 to 0.517 and then come down to 0.45 after a retrace, or we just come down within a corrective fashion, right? Considering the position Bitcoin is in, wouldn't surprise me that this move up has already started. So definitely be mindful of both scenarios so you guys can take advantage of the volatility on both ends of the market. Now, this is the Discord right here. So you guys can see how many setups I gave yesterday. So these are all the setups here. We have over 350 assets you guys can choose from. I analyze XRP every single day. So if you don't see an update on YouTube, then it's probably because I'm updating my members here in the Discord. So yeah, definitely join the Discord if you haven't done so. We have an amazing community here. We have all of these coins you guys can take a look at. You can ask me any question you want as well. So there's a question and request section. You can ask me any question you want here, and I will, even if the coin is not here, I can create a room and then do analysis for you on that coin, right? We also have the spot trade section. You can see what other traders are doing. We have the members lounge, education section, bullish coin section, all of this stuff. So really cool Discord. So definitely check this out if you haven't done so. Link in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the XRP video today. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.